This is Annie from the QuickBooks team. You can print W-2s in QuickBooks Online Payroll. This is handy because you may need to give your employees their copy or print a copy for your records. Your employees can opt out of getting mailed copies of their W-2s. They can view and print their own copies from QuickBooks Workforce. This can save you time, printing, and mailing costs. There's a link to a video at the end of this one to teach you more about using QuickBooks Workforce. Let's get started printing W-2s in QuickBooks Online Payroll. To start printing your W-2s, go to Taxes, then Payroll Tax. Note that your navigation may look like this. Select Filings. Printing W-2s is slightly different depending on automated taxes and forms setting. If your setting is on, QuickBooks will mail W-2 copies to your employees who opted for a mailed copy. For those who opted out of a mailed copy, they can view and print their W-2s from QuickBooks Workforce. If your setting is off, you need to print and mail copies to your employees that want a mailed copy. In this example, we'll show you how to print your W-2s if your automated taxes and forms is off. Select Resources, then W-2s. Here, you can print employer and employee copies for the current year or previous year. On your employee W-2s, copies B, C, and 2, you'll see two options. Edit Box 12/13 is used to report things on your employees' W-2s. Box 12 is if you have an employer-provided group health plan and you need to report the amounts paid by your employees and you. The amounts are automatically added from QuickBooks. Box 13 is if you have a retirement plan you tracked outside of QuickBooks. If you're tracking retirement amounts in QuickBooks, Box 13 is automatically checked for you. From Manage W-2s, you can do a few things and see a list of employees who want a printed copy of their W-2 and those who don't. First, if you haven't invited some of your employees to QuickBooks Workforce, you can do that here. Next, you can change your W-2 print setting. This will take you to your payroll settings. Select Edit on Form W-2 Printing if you need to change the type of paper you use. You can purchase 3-part or 4-part W-2 paper from us at intuitmarket.intuit.com. Once you've selected your paper, select Save, then Done. Then make your way back to your W-2s. When you're ready to print, select View and Print. Your W-2s will open as a PDF. Select Print. Great work! You've successfully printed your W-2s. Don't forget, if you are sending copies of W-2s to your employees, they must be postmarked by January 31st.